I know it's been so long since I've posted a video. It's because I've been busy with my exams, and I'll make sure that I post regularly hereafter. And thank you guys so much for 5k subscribers. I have no words, like thank you guys so much. So now we are going to see my study table tour. So let's move on. I was just reading this book, Think and Grow Rich. I just started reading this book. I've started reading books like 2 to 3 months ago. I've made it into a routine to read a book just a few months ago. So I have only less number of books, but these books, like this one, The Badass and The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, these books I've finished reading. And then this is how my study area looks. Here I keep my planner and motivation sheets, stuff like that. And here I keep stuff that I use often, like these books. And then this is just decor. And then here is my desk organization. This is for pens. This is DIY. I made it. And then here's my pen stand. There's a fake plant, and that's another motivation which I'd be changing often. And then there are a mix of stuff, like stuff I like and then stuff for motivation. So everything is mixed on the wall. Like I love to stick everything up so that I'll be able to see it often. And this is my morning routine. I don't follow it, okay? I don't follow it. I do follow it sometimes, but not all the time. And these are affirmations, stuff I should know, self-love, stuff I should have before studying, some more motivation, and then things I should change, blah blah blah. Everything is up here. And then let's move on. This is where I keep my bag so that it will be easy for me to check on it. This is my drawer. It's already organized. If you guys wonder why is it so messy, it's organized. Like I have kept a lot of stuff in it, so it looks messy, but I have organized it. And then I keep my other books over here, my binders and books over here. And up I keep my flashcards, A4 sheets, and another binder. I mean, this is a file, another file, pens, large pens, everything over here. And I sit up here and study. Now it's actually 6:25. Now I'm currently in my holidays, so I'm posting videos. And that's my vision board. Okay. Hope you guys liked this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos, guys. I have video plans, but then I've not executed them yet, but I make sure that I post regularly hereafter, no matter what. Okay guys, so give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Bye.